please make a reaction video.
And that is why raccoons are actually tigers.
Wow, Crystal, you are so smart.
Oh, thanks, Painty. Oh my gosh, I'm so bored. Yeah, there's not much to do around here.
Yeah, this place is almost as bland as Shelly.
Haha, yeah. Wait, what? Yeet. And then she was eliminated. Oh, hey, Shovel. Hi.
Hey, Eyepatch, have you seen Cat? No, sorry. Oh, darn.
Huh? Oh man, ran out of milkshake.
Zombie 2017.
What the heck? Something hit me.
What was it? This empty milkshake container from a hot dog's diner. Hey, that's my restaurant.
And my last customer was Ruben, so it might have been him.
That stupid duck.
Hey, Lego figure, are you done?
Done what?
The recovery center, I told you to build like 5 weeks ago.
Oh yeah, I finished that like 4 weeks ago. It's right here.
Oh my god, you suck.
Ringy, can you gather everyone up, please? Sure. Hey, everybody. Oh, wait, I think we're missing someone.
Yeah, we're missing Candy Cane.
Oh, yeah. Okay, gamers, we're gonna do a challenge to see who gets to be in Season 3 of TFOTO. The challenge is to press this button. The last 15 people to not press the button will not make it into this season.
I've got this, guys. Yay, we have our 18 contestants now. Time to kill the ones that didn't get in. Intro time.
Later gone?
Hey, Candy Cane.
What?
You want to explain to us what happened on the plane?
Nah, I'm good.
Wait, what? No. Grrr. Okay, there's gonna be 3 teams of 6. Shovel, Candy Cane, and Spray Paint will be the team captains. So it'll be just like pick 5 people on our team. Yeah. Now Shovel, pick your first teammate.
Milkshake, you're on my team.
You better pick Slushie next or I'll kill you. Let's see. How about Slushie? I want to be on a team with Milkshake.
I'll pick a Toothy.
Stick, you're on my team. Then I'll take Crown. Hey, Spray Can you pick Hot Dog and Chicken Leg? They're in my alliance.
Sure, I pick hot dog.
I'll pick Lego figure.
Bacon.
Chicken legs.
Sensor bar. Shelly.
Magnifying glass. Sunglasses.
Disco ball.
I pick sherbet.
You can't pick me, I'm the host.
Do I really have to pick jam?
Yep, sorry. OMG, yay, I'm on a team with magnifying glass.
Oh, cool.
Okay, the first challenge is to have the best team name. So the team with the worst team name will be up for elimination. So you guys have like 5 minutes to pick a team name. Go! Bro, you've already played the intro. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, gamers, what's our name?
Guys, we need like an awesome team name.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what should the name be?
Oh my god, you guys suck.
Okay guys, if we all work together, we will have the best team name. Whoa, Disco Ball, what happened to your voice?
Well,
I kind of got tired of singing everything I said, so I turned myself off. Hey, idiots, where's Candy Cane? He's over there talking to Sherbert. Is she submitting a team name without us? Oh my gosh, I can't believe her. I wonder what she's gonna name the team. Of course.
Mystery solvers again.
Team Gay loses because that name sucks. Okay, bye.